y'all, it's Danielle with Olivia Lux back again with another video. If you haven't seen our last video, it's linked below. Go and check that one out because this one will start up right where the last one left off. So that last video we were talking about dry brushing, what it is, how to do it, why you should do it, and its effects on the lymphatic system. We were using the 14-inch long brush in the Olivia Lux luxury set. This week we're going to be using the other side of the long brush. We're going to be talking about ways in which we can get rid of cellulite, stretch marks, and scar tissue. So make sure you subscribe to this channel because next week we will come out with our face brush video and talk about the oil cleansing method. Alright, so first let's talk about cellulite, everyone's favorite thing. So what is it? So cellulite is actually fat deposits underneath the skin tissue that has pushed its way through the skin fascia, tearing at the connective tissues and appearing as if there is lumpy skin. It's often referred to as cottage cheese butt or orange peel skin. The truth of the matter is 90% of women, regardless of race or ethnicity, struggles with cellulite. It's just part of being wonderful women. Another awesome imperfection women sometimes get anytime they are blessed to have grown, whether that be through puberty or getting our lovely lady lumps or through, I don't know, creating a human being, we sometimes get stretch marks. And again, they're totally normal, totally natural. And sometimes they disappear on their own, but there are natural ways in which we can reduce the appearance of stretch marks. Stretch marks are literally rips in your skin caused by the continued tugging at your skin. So anytime that you have extreme weight gain and then weight loss or growing in any sort of way, you're going to get these. And they're basically like scar tissue. And I don't know about you, but I'm a subpar daredevil, so I got scar tissue for days. I used to be a lot cooler than I am now, and I got the scars to prove it. So one of the ways we can reduce the appearance of such things and gain confidence in our own skin is through daily massage. And not just any massage, but hot oil massage. What this is going to do is help build up our skin's collagen and our skin's elasticity. So we are going to use the nubby side of the long brush from Olivia Lux. And what it's going to do is it's going to move around the fat deposits underneath our skin tissue and build up our skin's production of collagen. This is going to reduce the appearance of cellulite. It's also going to help to build our skin elasticity through working out that skin by rubbing our skin in all sorts of ways. Using the hot oil is going to allow these oils to seep into our skin and promote such things as cell rejuvenation, moisturizing, and just really helping to move things around. So I have created a 3-ingredient hot oil treatment. I'm going to show you what I did, but there are an infinite amount of different oils you can use for this treatment, and we're going to talk more about different oil treatments in future videos. But today I have used coconut oil, which has a molecular structure to seep into our skin tissue, which is going to be really helpful when we're doing such deep tissue things. The next oil I'm using is castor oil because it is so moisturizing. It's really going to help with healing scar tissue and stretch marks. The third oil I'm using is frankincense oil because if it's good enough for Jesus, it's good enough for me. Also because it is the most amazing for cell rejuvenation in really healing your skin tissue. It also helps with memory loss and anything neurological, and honestly, it's my favorite oil, so that's why I'm using it. So what you're going to do is mix in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of castor oil, and just a couple drops of essential oil into a little glass jar. I've used this jar that used to be a little yogurt jar. And then you're going to put it in a warm pot of water, warm to hot. We're not trying to burn ourselves, so not too hot. And we are going to, again, use the nubby side of this massager and we're actually going to work it into our bodies pretty vigorously. So I am going to do that for you now so you can see an example of it.
All right, so I am going to take 2 fingers worth of our oil mixture and rub it on my stomach because that is going to be the area we will target first. This is such a great exercise for just really getting in touch with your body. I'm going to take the nubby side and work it in circles on my stomach. It's quite a bit of pressure, but not enough to hurt me. I'm really just trying to move that skin around as much as possible. And it's really going to build the elasticity, which is great for anybody who has gained and lost weight. I myself has struggled with gaining, about 10 pounds over the past year. So I'm really getting used to that new skin. All right, and then I'm going to take 2 fingers worth and put it on my thighs. So this time you're going to use quite a bit of pressure. I'm really using all the one muscle I have in my arm to do this. And the reason is I'm really trying to work to move around those fat deposits as much as possible. I'm really working on areas that I struggle with, and I am working on areas that have stretch marks. So as you see here, I'm really vigorously rubbing. So what's great about this set is that this long brush does not come apart. A lot of long brushes that you might see will come apart, and that is not ideal for when you're scrubbing this hard because they tend to fall off and fall on your toes, or you stab yourself with a stick. It's really dangerous. So that's why this set is so great. So as you can see, I'm spending about 2 minutes on each leg. It's fast forwarded a bit, not much, and I'm just trying to show you what I do, but I typically spend about 2 minutes on each leg. So I'm going to move to my next leg, and I'm just trying to show you that you can get the inside of your thigh as well. I know a lot of girls try to go for that thigh gap, and this exercise can really help you in toning that muscle. I don't know if I'll ever get my thigh gap again, but we'll see. Through practices such as dry brushing, we shall see. So as you can tell, I am quite blessed to have grown in my gluteus maximus. So I really try to work on this area to reduce my stretch marks, which I have been absolutely blessed with. So see, I'm rowboating my leg, rowboating. All right, so next I'm going to have a seat and work on the back of my arms because I really want this area of my body to stay tight. So that is building the skin elastin and collagen, and your skin is the largest organ of your body and you really need to work it out as much as possible. So I'm just using the leftover oil I've obtained in my hands and working on this area. Be careful not to punch yourself in the face while you do this. What really makes this set special is it comes with a booty brush, which is a palm brush that fits perfectly in your hand and allows for that extra bit of control. It has firmer bristles than the ones in the two-headed long brush, and it has little rubber nubbies in it. So this really helps to exfoliate that skin and really polish this area, and works really hard in reducing the appearance of cellulite and scar tissue.
Alright y'all, that does it for this week's video. Feel free to subscribe to this channel so you can check out next week where we'll be talking about the face brush and how it's so awesome for the oil cleansing method. In the meantime, check out our website at olivialux.com. It's linked below. Also linked below is the Amazon storefront so you can pick up your own luxury set so you can follow along with these tutorials. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.